We're at the Countryside Stables, the main side of the Amish Farm Tour. Doing a little video here, the indoor arena. Give you a preview of what you'll get to see when you come over. You'll see some working with horses, training, shoeing, bathing, besides Amish stove cooking, and many, many other things while you're here, and you'll also be able to eat while you are here. This is some Amish-made food. We'll learn how to use farming off-grid equipment like it was done in the 1800s. Come on, girls, walk with me. These are some of the stalls where the horses are kept. You get to do a full tour of the barn while you're here and talk to some local Amish folks from their community about how they live. Suddenly the power grid went down. We were jetted back to the 1800s. These folks could tell you exactly what you're going to need to know about off-grid power, farming, protection, butchering animals, and training animals for work. Follow me again, girls. Going to go outside here. There's ample parking. Actually, extra parking on the track, the horse racing track, besides what you see here. There'll be Amish-grown produce for sale, as well as being taught how to garden. There's lots of horse training going on here and animal butchering. There's chickens, there's hogs, there's just about everything you can think of here at the Countryside Stables.